Hello YouTube, doing a range test on the Sharper Image 2-pack of race quads, and here's one of them here, and here's the transmitter. So I'm going to set this down, get it turned on. I actually have the white and the black here because it comes in a 2-pack. Now way down there at 600 feet is my assistant. He's going to guide me through this. So these are altitude hold drones or quads. We're going to see how far they go. Ready? Here we go. I have to get that black one up a little bit higher because it's hard to see against the trees. Well, it definitely went 600 feet plus because we have it marked off 600 feet. And where he is now is beyond. Whoa, sorry about that with the camera. I'm having trouble here trying to hold on to some stuff. I don't even know if this is going to focus in, but he is. Now, our flags are marked off, that's as far as I can go, to 600 feet, and he is beyond the 600 feet by about 25 feet. So that is the range test. He just flagged me off to drop it before it got to the bushes there. So 600 feet, that is insane. So number 2, for these little things, there's number 2. I don't know if you can see it, it's a white one. Anyway, it's the white one. And we're going to leave this zoomed in, see if you can. I'm having so much trouble with this camera. I'm sorry about that. So we are going to, he's going to guide me to make sure that I'm in a straight line here. That's what he was doing before. So here we go with the white one. I can see that one against the trees. And it's almost to him already. And he flagged me off. So it went over into the weeds. He's trying to catch it now. So we're looking way beyond 600 feet there. So yeah, these Sharper Image little race quads, 2-pack, definitely long range. I had to be flagged off at 600 plus feet. So that's where we're at on that. And I did zoom in on that second one and you did follow it. I don't know if you could actually see it back there, but he's holding on to it now, looks like. So yeah, there you go, 600 feet plus. And I don't know what else to say about this, but we have a soccer match coming on here in just a few minutes, so I'm gonna have to cut this short. I don't want to have time to walk down there. He's just gonna have to come back and start picking up the flags and everything. So I appreciate it, you watching, and we'll catch you next time.